Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chetna Gambhir and today we are going to convert this simple 600 rupees ka Amazon kurta into some cute jacket with pom-poms. Now instead of pom-poms you can add anything, like literally any beads, anything you like. You can I have just done on the top half. You can do pura niche tak, you can do it on the sleeves. Basically I made this video in I think 2015 or 2016 and I posted it in on my previous channel, which is not available right now. So I thought this is quite an interesting video and that is why it's on my new channel. So hope you enjoy it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye. Enjoy the DIY.
Been a few weeks and we're keeping this up. Difficult to deny we're on the cusp of something more. Can't be ignored. I let you know every part of me. All of the nuances no one else sees. We talk all night. I read then type. I know we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. Got